We should be live here. Welcome back, guys. So I'm just waiting for people to tune in, and then I'll start in 1 minute. Okay. Never rush anything. Be calm. Be detached. Be mindful when you take decisions, and then it's going to be much better. So overall, got the new two softwares: Instant Orb with break below, break above, where I have the right targets on. And then I got the SR fallback reversal 2.0. That's shorting correctly and I'm getting instant feedback. What I have as an option is if I want to take a trade 20 minutes before market opening, I'm able to do that and have the settings apply. Okay. So it gave me an orb short and SR short, where the exit was at previous day's highs. Okay. So just as the orb high. So I'll always place my stop loss if possible above here. If we took the SR short, we're gonna make a quick scalp, and that's probably what I also wanted to make 60 points. Yes, I could have been holding it, and that would make much more money. But it's not about holding overnight. It's not about holding for weeks or hours or days. It's about in and out for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and that's what is very good. So let's see. Not much progress here, to be honest. I also have my base stop loss, right? You can see it's giving us an orb long right now. I can have my base stop if I move that one to 40 points. Then I have a little bit more room, but it's actually a long right now. So I'm about to go long for DAX. It's just following my own system. So I want to buy the DAX here. I'm buying the DAX here. It's currently trading at 155. So I just went long. I have my stop loss placed at 131. And right now I have a fixed target above 250. Yeah, so I'm long. I can let you know also the setup here if you want in Telegram regarding just following my own system. Right. I could also try to upload it to you if you want. I mean, it's probably a too tight stop loss, so I'm also aware of that. But for now, I'll have it like this. So right now, as you can see, I hope it's pretty clear, but you could see we have a fixed TP that's sitting at around 100 points profit. That's pretty good. Let's see here. kind of interesting. Thinking about, let's see here. So entry was actually pretty good. Just following the system, just following the framework. That was not good. That was not actually very good. What a trade. Pressed. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Thinking about that. Let's see. Nope, just waiting. So as you know, this is where I went long. Now it's going to be interesting to see if things are going to turn around before it's going to push again. It could sell off. That's the risk. That's the risk. We like risk. So I mean, we long. We haven't really done anything yet. More than that. I'm not going to take profit for now. I'm going to wait. Oh, not much progress, to be honest. Not much progress. I'm thinking about exit this one here the next 3-4 minutes if I don't see much momentum. What is a very good trade here, guys. That's actually very good. I mean, it's pretty consistent, the system here. I'm glad I launched it. It took forever to launch this again, but we happy. We took the trade. Just following my own system. That's it. Let's see if this is gonna give us some momentum. or it's just gonna be choppy. But I'm still long, guys, as you know. I'm still long. Nothing have changed. I actually thought it would do quicker momentum to the upside. It did not. So we, after 30 minutes now, we should see some momentum, else it's probably just gonna sell off. We're gonna have news here in seconds. We have news coming in seconds. That could affect the market, and that could affect it. So don't oversize. If you have over leveraged this position, exit it right now, close it if you're over leveraged. Okay? Just letting you know, because we have news. If you over leverage, please close. News came in worse than expected. That could be good for the market. Let's see. Nope, it's selling off. Let's see what this is gonna do. It's a tricky, very tricky trade, because it could actually be an amazing orb that's really coming in, taking overnight highs out, taking out previous resistance, probably gonna go back to the previous day's highs around 355. So it could potentially reach not only TP1, but it could also reach TP2 just below overnight at previous day's highs where we have previous resistance. So I mean, it's a very interesting actually day, because the orb could really work. It could make us a fortune, but it could also sell off, and I just have to accept it and live with that and take a loss. These news, I'm actually not super much aware of them. I mean, I'm informed and following my own system. I'm just doing exactly what I should do. So I have my stop loss here. I mean, I might get stopped out. It's an insane risk to reward. Wow, impressive. That's really good. Boom. Let's go. That's great right here. I mean, we could just exit and then call it a morning. 15 minutes trading, and we have what? Yeah, but we have only made like what, 17 points. So that's our risk. I mean, it's okay. I mean, our win rate is pretty high. So I mean, it's okay to exit with 20 points when we're risking 20 points. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. I would probably consider exit, but I'm not super sure, to be honest. It is a long, should just hold it, I know. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do for now. So these news just got in. PMI, everything is coming in worse than expected. That should make the market rally. I don't know. It should probably. It's not really moving anywhere. So normally when I go in and I'm in profit, and then after 15 minutes, when I've been holding my position for 15 minutes like now, and I see no progress or very low progress, I normally myself just exit my positions. But let's see, still holding it. I want to see more momentum like this. Come on, push, man. It's not really pushing. Let's see here. It could actually push. Could push beautifully. Come on, push. So it's been choppy since we entered. It's still moving up. It's still an orb long. You should hold it. I will always just follow the system and hold on to at least the first TP, right? Or take the loss of like 20 points. I mean, it's not really working, to be honest. It's very slow. Do we have news later? We have a lot of news. Wow. Non-farm, okay. Core retail sales average hour, okay. It's very interesting. So I'm looking forward to trade with this system here also on NASDAQ. I think it's gonna try to give us a short soon if it doesn't break overnight highs. And I see a candle that's not closing above in the next 50 minutes from opening, so it's 950. If this is not really giving us anything, it's basically a short back to here or even lower. It is basically a short. It's not really moving and it's not really closing above. I'm gonna exit now, guys. This is not making any sense to me to hold it. I mean, how's NASDAQ doing? Let's just look at that. I mean, Wall Street is negative, of course. It's moving down, but not much. NASDAQ, it's also below 25,000. It's actually at 24,900. I mean, DAX is way too overbought. I'm gonna exit now, guys. So exit here at 62. I know this isn't the great setup. I have also took these two this trade here, guys, on the Miro trading account. Okay. So Miro trading account, my private account is doing very well. Yesterday was a whole headache. You saw me trading live. You saw me, I was losing a lot of money. But then I turned everything around and I was in plus. So I managed to make a lot of money yesterday, and today is also okay. So I have no open positions. Everything is cash. Everything is cash. I have no open positions at all, as you can see. No open positions. So I've exited everything. Also the Mirror Trading account, all cash. Again, I even think when I told you yesterday, I think you could still see me, right? Yeah, it should be good. But I think I even show you this on how to mirror me. This is not any pitchy things, but you could actually see what I'm trying to tell you if you could see my position. So when I say I've exited everything or I made money, I said I made money, right? And I was down like 100K. As you can see, I'm up 14%, right? But daily, you could see I'm up 3% yesterday. So it wasn't a lie, and it's matching exactly my account balance. Then you could also see Yeah, I think you could see my open portfolio. I told you, portfolio, and you could see no records, but you could see how much I'm in, how much I'm losing, how much I'm gaining in percentage, how much lot size I have. How many people is able to show that, right? So that's actually what I'm sharing. So when I say, hey guys, I made money, you could just go in and check. This was yesterday. I was up 3%. Told you. So again, but I've been doing this just too long to not. So that's why I exit here, right? That's one thing. I exit my long position because it's too late for me, and I don't want to sit here and just wait. I want to see momentum. And second, yesterday I know I was right on a short time frame, and I was, and it actually managed to work out for me. So again, I would never recommend anyone doing that. But I just saw something in the market, right? So I could see, because after an hour after 4:30, it didn't manage to close below with enough room. That's why I knew this candle here, it's a green candle, and actually managed to move from 65 to 300, right? That's 240 points. That's a 1.1% move. Yeah, 1% move, right? So I was wrong. I should have taken that stupid short that my system was giving me. I even think you could see here that the system was actually giving me that setup. It's just so stupid I didn't took it. DAX, here, not DAX, NASDAQ. Again, if you want access to this, see, SR short, what the fuck? SR short, that's why what I want to do. But I cannot do it here, like in front of you, when I don't have it. I mean, I could do it, right? I could do it, but that's why I want the system now to work. So now you can see it's actually in a short. What exit up here? A short here, right? I could hold these for longer term, and you could see, right? It worked out. So that's why I have this software now updated. Okay, you don't have to buy the software. I'm using it to make money for myself. I don't care if you buy it. It doesn't matter for me at all. I want to make money with it myself. But again, I have actually a few seats where I can help, because it takes me time. But again, if you want to apply for this software, it's going to be the best software in the world. Again, it's not that you don't want to hold the long DAX. You could hold it. I'm not going to sit here for the next hour or two. But again, then you just click high net worth and you just book a call in Danish, and then you fill out this form, and then you talk to me about the software. We're gonna have a back test for many years soon coming in, so you could see it. It's gonna be insane. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'm done. Not